This is William. William is Swedish. He is studying engineering at college. William gets the bus into town on Sunday morning. He meets his friends in mall. In the morning, William and his friends go shopping. At noon, they have lunch together. After lunch, William plays basketball. At 4 o'clock, he does his homework in the library. At 5 o'clock, he cooks dinner for his family. At 7 o'clock, William plays chess with his friends in the park. At 9 o'clock, William goes home and watches television. He goes to bed at midnight.